All right. How's it going? Oh, hold on. I don't have like a head strap for this thing, so I just stick it between my boobs. That should do. All right, so my name is Sophie, and tonight I am cooking chicken. Because I'm a bartender, as my only source of income at the moment, we go through a lot of oranges. We use a lot of orange peels for our cocktails. So all these bad boys end up getting wasted. So I decided to take them home and use them for dinner tonight. Also, I bought a whole box of 3 kilograms worth of chicken from Save On Foods. Now, I'm not so good at math, but I know a freaking bargain when I see one. Is it Canadian? Product of Canada. There you go. Daddy Trudeau will be happy about that. We're making orange chicken. Okay, Mike? This is a recipe that I found on the internet, so don't put me on your pedestal, okay? You're gonna need oranges. You're gonna need chicken, le poulet, obviously, olive oil, garlic, hold on here, where's my garlic? Thyme, cumin seeds, chicken stock, onions, red pepper flakes, butter, and then cornstarch. Relax! It's just cornstarch, okay? What's the big whoop about cornstarch? Where is that cornstarch? Oh. Okay, so we're gonna preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit, nearly 200 degrees Celsius for you monarchs out there. In a pan with some extra virgin olive oil, we are going to put that shit on high. Wait for that to heat up, I guess. You know I need your love. You got that hold over me. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this big old chicken booby and put that on the pan. Ooh, baby! Kind of brown up the sides of both those. Let me just wash my hands. Jesus. Poppy McGee. Ow. See, I defrosted this chicken, so now it's just like acting up. I tried to dry it off as best as I could, but you know, these fat asses are just so full of it. I know organic chicken's supposed to taste better and be better for you, but like, look at the freaking meat on that. Boy, look at that GMO piece of meat. Fuck yeah. I'm sorry I like my chickens genetically modified so much. So now, typically you would have to use preferably a skillet or like an oven safe pan, but she's just a girl that lives in a shoe with only a few pots and pans. So we're gonna transfer this over to a casserole dish. Now what we're gonna do, turn that shit down low, boy. Turn that shit down low. And we're going to toast, that's right, toast, pan toast, some cumin seeds. Oh, heaven is a place so nice. What's next again? Oh, we're adding butter and garlic. So let me just chop that up real quick. Oh, that's how you do it. That's how you're supposed to do it. Just a FYI, in case you didn't know. I'm gonna do 2 cloves of garlic. 2? Yeah, 2. 2? Yeah. This knife is kind of dull, and any actual chef that's watching this right now is probably just shaking his damn head, you know? Shaking their damn head, I should say. Gosh. Keep up with the times, Soph. Let's do a lot of freaking butter. Fuck it. Okay, mate. After that, we're gonna put some bouillon de poulet. Bouillon de poulet. Bouillon de poulet. I'd say about a damn cup. Oh, bit of spillage. What's a chef that don't spill a bit sometimes? And then we're gonna get a jus d'orange. Now I juiced these oranges freshly with one of these tools. You just kind of cut it in half and you go like, yeah, it gets a bit messy, but it's fun. In here with this stock, mate. Okay, now, this is important, and this is something that I learned from my boyfriend's dad, I think. Yeah, you gotta stir that cornstarch into some Wawa first, so that it doesn't, you know, frick with the textures too much in your cooking dish. So I'm gonna put a little bit of, ooh, that might have been a bit too much. That's okay, it's gonna be extra gooey. We like gooey. Let's stir it up with some chopsticks, because I don't have a proper little whisk. And people use this as whisks anyways. Toss that in there. Let's quickly transfer this over to the casserole dish. Cut some orange juice. We're gonna stick these puppies in here over our chicken and onions. I've like really messed up in the past trying to make guacamole, and I put like freaking so much stinking raw red onion together with garlic in just this small-ish bowl of guacamole, and I swear I could not get the taste of onion. It, like, my mouth felt like it was just burning all day. No amount of chewing gum was able to get rid of the taste in my mouth. It was just so intense. So now every time I cook with onion, like, I still like the flavor. It's just, I'm just so careful. And I know it's getting cooked, so it'll kind of like tame out a bit anyways, but like, honestly, it was like kind of traumatizing. Thyme. In the photo, it just had like whole sprigs of thyme, so that's what I'm gonna do. The recipe calls for red pepper flakes, but I've got something a little extra special. We've got this thing here. Now, there's other bottles similar. There are other bottles similar to this, but you gotta look for the one with the green stripe. It's like a chili sauce. It has a chili oil, soybeans in it, and peanuts. And it's got a little bit of MSG, don't tell anyone. I'm literally only gonna use like A little bit. Just minuscule. Who am I? Just minuscule. It's only gonna be a little bit. We'll just kind of sprinkle it. Oh, fuck. I got it on my nice white sock. Because I always dirty my socks. My socks are always so dirty because I don't like wearing shoes. No, I don't like wearing shoes. What's a chef that don't spill a bit sometimes? Salt and pepper. I nearly forgot. Hey, you know what? Fuck it. Let's put a bit of paprika in that bad boy. Stick that in there. Stick that in her. And leave that in for 60 minutes. You can cook that dish with like roasted vegetables as well. I know that's really good. Or you can cook it with like rice and potatoes. Or you can do what I'm gonna do and have a side salad. Oh, leafy greens. It's fine. So, at work right now, people are getting better treatment for having their names mentioned in TripAdvisor reviews. The rest of us who don't have a name on TripAdvisor are scavenging for better hours and better shifts like pests, you know? I don't really give a shit. Like, it's not like I'm super passionate about bartending, okay? I just go in there, make my money, and I make the right amount that I need for my life. But I thought it would be really funny to tell some like cool customers to write silly reviews. Like, for instance, today I was serving this lady at the bar and she heard about this TikTok trend about mixing pickle juice and Coca-Cola together, and she was like, I don't want to be weird, but can I try it in a shot glass? And I was like, fuck it, I'll try it with you. So we both tried it. It was disgusting, obviously. And then I told her, hey, you know what would be funny is if you wrote a review that you came here, you had a good time with your friends. The bartender, Sophie Clark, satisfied your curiosity of pickle juice and Coca-Cola and had even done it with you. Get this bitch a Timmy's gift card. And she did. She wrote that review. So give me my money. Give me some. Give me some. Give me a Timmy's gift card for 20 bucks. Okay. So, now the chicken has cooked. Can't believe it's been an hour already. Ta-da! And there you have it. Cumin orange chicken. You already know. You already know. That's so good. And if you want that peanut chili sauce that I already showed you, put some more on. I dare ya. Yeah. Thanks for watching.